Make a great choice today with the 2016 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, trip computer, tachometer, heated passenger seat, leather seats, speed proportional power steering, all-weather floor mats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.